Happy Thursday, JSerra.
I'm Blake.
And I'm Katie.
Let's start off the day with some announcements.
Good morning, JSerra. Here are your daily announcements. The first club president's meeting is tomorrow right after school at 2:45 in the East Center Room. All club presidents must be in attendance. Contact Mrs. O'Berry with any questions.
The JSerra equestrian team is for you. We're looking for all students who are taking lessons or riding at a competitive level to sign up to be a part of this year's team. Contact Mrs. Taylor at mvtaylor@jserra.org for details before September 9th to find out how easy it is to earn 5 PE credits while doing something you love.
The fall swim camp registration is now open. The camp runs from 3 to 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday and begins next Tuesday, September 7th. See Coach Clements for more details.
That's it for today's announcements. Back to Katie and Blake in the studio.
Thanks, guys. That was very informative.
Hey Blake, did you know that our very own Alex H. is the vice president of the 3D Printing Club?
I did not, but thankfully, Alex made a promo informing us about the club.
Let's go check it out.
Hello Lions, the 3D Printing Club is looking for some new members. The club provides lots of fun and you can print so many cool things with our printers. Learn how to make your own designs and how to find other designs to print with the MakerBot software. So John, you're the secretary of this club. What can we expect from this club?
You can expect to use the JSerra sponsored 3D printers.
So, Rayan, what's your favorite part about the 3D Printing Club?
It's a great learning experience and you make great friends here.
If you're interested in joining the club, please email robert.belly@jserra.org to join. Oh, and you can also get a cool sweatshirt too.
Whoa, that sounds so fun.
Next up, Audrey made a segment with some great advice for all of you freshies.
Let's go see what she has to say.
Hey JSerra, today I'm going to be going around campus asking upperclassmen advice they have for freshmen. Do you have any advice for freshmen?
I would say to not stand in the middle of the hallways because it's really annoying.
Don't be a pick-me girl.
Quit bumping into people in the bistro.
Yeah, I just say participate in all your JSerra activities. They're a lot of fun. Try to stretch out from your friend group, make more friends that you don't know, more people you don't know. Yeah, just be social.
Don't be cliquey.
I think you should spend 10 minutes every day in silence, just kind of thinking about your day and relaxing and keeping everything in perspective.
Don't walk slow. Don't run away from the deans because they're gonna catch you.
Get the taco bowls at the bistro.
Study a lot. Don't be late, and if you are, make sure you bring your teacher coffee.
Yeah, you have plenty of time to get to class, so you don't need to run. You're kind of embarrassing yourselves.
Well, that's all we have for you today, Lions. I'm Blake.
And I'm Katie. Have a thrilling Thursday, JSerra.